to show you how I turn strip lashes into individuals. I don't do lashes often, but when I do, I tried. I can't do them on as a strip. It just don't. I just can't get it on there. But I can do it as an individual. These are 3D I Envy 3D collection. It's a multi-angle and volume, lightweight. Can you see? They kind of like thick, long and short. And you see those lines here? That's what makes me be able to, the spaces, cut them. So I'm going to cut them, and then I'll show you how I apply them. And after I cut them, I kind of pull some of the glue off. Sometimes I can do it before. I usually take it like this and try to get some of the glue off. If there's any on there, I don't know what that is. These little fruit flies in Georgia. Look how thick and full it is. So I'm going to finish cutting these. So I finished cutting one pair, and I have to make sure that all the little hairs that like hanging around straggly, I have to get those out so they won't get in my eye as I'm doing it. I'll go ahead and cut the second pair. I don't know if these eyelashes are old, but usually the glue that's coming off on the little case, I usually pull that off, but I didn't have any to pull off this time, so that works for me. Okay, I got them all cut. I paid $2.99. It was a green sticker, so I guess they was on sale for $2.99, probably because they are a little, the glue's a little old. Just want to show you what it looks like. See how full and thick that one is? It's like a triple layer. So I don't know what it's going to look like, because they are kind of long for me, but I just want to show you how I put them on. I have a pretty steady hand. I remember the first time one of my friends had like a lot of different contact lenses, different color just for fashion, and the first time I put one on, I opened my eye and I just popped it right in with a steady hand. She was blanking all over the place. She couldn't even put the thing in her eye. I just popped it right on in. I guess in my mind I just knew I had to put it in and couldn't poke my eye, so I just popped it in. Steady hand. So I'm going to transfer them to this case, and I'm going to keep this case for my glue. And I'll finish this and I'll be back to actually show you how I put them on. Okay, I got my individual eyelashes from the strips. Nice and full, nice and long. I think I'm ready to show you how I actually do it. I have my glue in here. I've been letting it sit for like 2 minutes or so it can get just a little tacky. Here's here's some lashes. And here's my hair dryer. So let's see. Looking in the mirror here. Sometimes I have to put it on my hand so I can grip it in the right spot down here so I can really get a good grip. Dip it in the glue. Try to get it off that back and just keep it in there front. And I usually start in the middle. Put it on the end of that, the very under, and dry it real quick on low. Sometimes I'll put like 2 or 3 pieces on first. I wish I had a better setup with this camera. I won't be able to show you every little dip method. You know what I always wonder? Why when you doing something to your eye, you tend to open your mouth like, I don't know, I tried to do this without doing that. It still be open. I like to leave a little space sometime between my eyelashes to give it a different effect. Hope I don't leave too much space. I hold it away from my eye. I hold the hair dryer away from my eye, but still enough to kind of give me that breeze. And if I have too much of a space, and then I'll fill that in too. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this in just so that my camera won't run out of time on me. And I can do both of them and see what it looks like. I'll fill this in and come back as I start this eye. Pretty much done with this eye almost. I'm just going to add like one over here. And then I'm going to kind of squish them together. Let's see, I need to get like a little shorter one. Try not to open my mouth. And I like to get right along the eyelash line. I guess that's what it's called. Now, for some reason, this eye is kind of running and this one isn't. I don't know why. eyelashes is I like that eyelash shadow they make like under here. Okay, so now I kind of like, I don't know how they do it. I can't do it like that. I have to close my whole eye together and just squish it up like that. And kind of. Now, I cannot wear these for more than 24 hours. That's why I only put them on when I'm going somewhere. And then when I come home at night before I go to sleep from wherever I came from, I take them directly off because they never stay on anyway. I'm kind of about to start the other eye, but I'm kind of like, I usually don't sit and do it. I stand in my mirror, but I'm like at an awkward position. I don't know how much I can do of this on video. I might have to come back and show you the finished result. I can barely see. I'm gonna have to take this one off from this angle. Okay, well that's pretty much, you know how it goes. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and finish this eye, and then I'll come back and show you the final result. Okay, I'm back, done with the other eye. I'm sorry, I just couldn't do it like that. I had to get up all in the mirror's face like I usually do. I'm surprised I was able to do this one that way. So I got them on, finished drying this one. And I'm just try to let you get a look at what they look like under the bottom. Okay, let me squish that one. I don't know if it looks different than having them on top or the bottom, but I like it under the bottom. They look a little bit more natural. Even though these are long, I kind of like them. They look that way. Just like that eyelash shadow. That shadow, that eyelash, that lash cast. You probably didn't hear anything I say. I talk so much. I'm talking all through the hair dryer. Basically, I was saying that they're pretty long, but I like the way they look. But what I really like, most of all, is that lash shadow, that lash cast, that cast down on your cheeks. See if we can get a side view. But that's how I do my eyelashes, how I turn strips into individuals. It saves me a lot of money. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.